Well, this has turned out to be a very nice camp. I'm actually on my 4th day here. It's been really nice just to unplug. There's no cell signal here. I wanted to just kind of be somewhere for the holiday weekend and not be moving around dealing with the crowds and fighting for a camp spot. So it's actually been fairly quiet here. I do believe that most of the campsites were occupied for the weekend, but I feel like a lot of people pulled out yesterday. So I'm kind of hanging out. I'm probably going to get out of here today. So I'm just wrapping up things at camp. I spent a lot of time up here by the campfire. I did get a fire going a few times. Surprisingly, the bugs have not been bad. So I've just been hanging out doing some wood carving. As you guys know, I do these spoons. These are one of the previous ones I've done, and these I did the last couple days. Got busy on this. One of my uncles in Maine had given me some ash wood to work with, and I've been real pleased with it. That one turned out nice. Also did this one here, and then I just kind of started a few others that aren't even close to being finished, trying like a spatula type thing. Some other scoops, still need to do quite a bit of work on those. Well, that's what I've been up to. Been keeping me busy. Been nice just to be relaxing out here, nice and quiet. I just pulled over on the side of the road coming out from my camp. Look how beautiful this is. Give you a shot of the campsite I picked here. There was quite a few down this dirt road. This looked like a nice cozy one. Got a concrete fire pit there, this table. Got the van pulled in this way. And right behind us is this little creek running by here. And you know, I've been so lucky this summer in the Northeast. There hasn't been a lot of mosquitoes. Don't want to jinx myself, but I've been real lucky, I guess. A little bit of a clearing through the trees there. Get some afternoon sun. I think that'll work. Well, for about the last week or so, I've been dealing with mice in the van. This is the first time I've ever had this problem. I've talked to other people that have dealt with this, and what I feel like I ended up having was 2 mice in the vehicle. I started noticing some noises and hearing some chewing sounds almost 2 weeks ago, and I had been setting just standard spring bait traps and not having any luck. They were just taking the bait right off the trap and not springing it, or springing it and not actually getting caught. So I got one a few days ago, and then I just got one more last night. So I feel like I've got rid of them. I didn't hear any other noises throughout the night last night. And yeah, I'm just going to do some cleanup here, clean up any droppings that I see, and just try to tidy up and hope that I don't have any more visitors. That was interesting. Well, I'm just out doing some exploring today. Found this little pond here. Beautiful spot. Well, it is time for me to move on from this camp. I'm going to go ahead and backtrack to head on out of here. As much as I would like to continue on down this dirt road, I believe it goes for a good 30 miles or so, and I'm not sure how the conditions vary. So I'm going to play it safe and head back out the way I came, hopefully get some more information. I failed to do enough research on this area. Should have had a more detailed map. I could feel like I could really spend a lot of time out here. I probably could spend the whole summer out exploring this area. So anyway, I'm going to move on. We'll see where we end up. Oh, this is the map I should have looked at before I actually went into this area. We're actually right here. I ended up camping right around here because there's this Bradley Brook. I saw a sign for that. I crossed over that. I remember passing this handicap campsite here. So I was right around in this area. I drove my trail bike out till I got to campsite 30, and it looks like in this area that goes up to 34. So what I could have done is continued on down this dirt road, because that's already a good 7 miles, 8 miles in. Continued on down, it looks like there's a whole nother section, whole nother 30 campsites, and then I could have continued on this way, but this is all dirt road, and not knowing how rugged the road is. More campsites here, and then I probably could have taken this road up in and connected back up with 28, which is what I'm probably going to do here. Go back in and hit 28 that comes up back around here. So yeah, a little better planning, a little more preparedness. I could have done this a lot different. Well, I was just driving down this Route 28 where you can see the cars going by there, and I started to see these little pull-offs, and they said campsites. So I pulled in, and there's these nice little, right on this edge of this lake here. I have to look up the lake name. But nice, cool little spots. It's a little close to the road as far as road noise goes, but for a free little spot, I think I might stay. I'm looking over here. There's like kind of a little rope set up here to help you get down to the water's edge. So I might check this out, or maybe walk up to some of the other sites and see what they look like. Alright, so we're going to take a walk down to the lake here. This is the access point. It's a little squirrely. I've actually already been down for a swim. It's quite refreshing. It's nice to have this rope here on the way down, but especially on the way up. It's a little steep right here. Using this rope. Go under this mushroom. Check this out, right? It's a nice sandy beach, no rocks or anything. The water is nice and comfortable. So awesome. Pretty awesome, got my own little beach right here. Probably gonna go for one more swim before the sun goes down. So nice. Woo. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. I just wanted to give a big thank you to viewer Rob. Rob had reached out to me and gave me a lot of information on the Adirondack area. He suggested that Moose River Plains area where I was, that 30-mile dirt road with over 100 free campsites. I really wished I would have planned that differently and done that whole stretch of dirt road. You can kind of enter from one side, go all the way through, and come out there around Inlet, New York. But I'm still super happy with how much I did get to enjoy it. I'll leave a link in the video description for a website that has some good detailed hiking maps and a little bit more information on the area, or you can just Google Moose River Plains in the Adirondacks and get a lot more information. Can't recommend it enough. What a great area. What I really liked about it is the stretch I was at. There was over 30 campsites, but they were all really spaced out. There was a lot of distance between each campsite, so even if someone was in the next one down that were so far away, you wouldn't even know they were there. So just really neat, and the ability to go to the hiking trails and all that, or just hop in your vehicle and go exploring down that dirt road, or if you're into mountain biking, be a great place for that, or just into hiking. So can't recommend it enough. Check out that website. They've got a lot of good detailed hiking maps and just more information about the area. So again, thank you, Rob. Really appreciate it. I super enjoyed my time out there, and we'll be looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Hope you guys are all doing well out there, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Peace.